Hello and welcome to my YouTube channel Cloud Journey. In this video, we build a tic-tac-toe game using Flask in Python. Then we containerize it with Docker and store the image securely on AWS ECR for future deployment. So let's understand what we'll do. First, we'll create the Flask app. So first we create a simple web app in Flask. Then after we'll create a Docker file to containerize it. Then we build and run the image locally for test. And once tested, we push the image to the AWS ECR. So let's see the steps how we can achieve. So first we'll create the directory, make directory, and give the name tic tac toe test flask. Now change the directory tic tac toe test flask. Now we create a file app.py. So we touch app.py. So in this file, we'll copy the code and paste it here. So this app is listing on port 5000 and here is the required logic. So I'll paste this, yeah, I will push it to my GitHub account. You can take the code. Now we'll create the templates for front end. So first create a directory, name it templates, and inside this we'll create a file index.html. So give index.html and we'll copy the HTML file. Now we'll save it. Now we'll start creating the a file called requirement.txt. So we'll keep touch requirement.txt. So you can skip all these things. You can follow the video from where we start creating Dockerfile. This now here we'll give the one Flask. Save it. Now our important part is started. We'll start creating Dockerfile. So give touch Dockerfile and inside that we'll start writing our command. So first give from so we'll using Python the base image Python colon 3.12 /slim Now we'll give the working directory. So I've already created what all these commands in my previous video. You can check it out. For Node.js, I have created, and for Nginx server, working directory. So it will slash app. Now we'll copy the file requirement.txt .txt. Now we'll with the command run and install the type install test as no catch test directory data requirement.txt. .txt. Now when we the copy the source. Now we'll expose it to 5000 and with the cmd I will provide Python and app.the file app.py file. Then, okay. This command will start when we run the container. Python app.py. So once check the Docker file. Now we'll build our image. Write the command docker build dash t with name tic tac dash to dash flask and dot. So now we'll run it locally. Docker run dash p with the host port 5000 and the container for 5000 tic tac toe. What was the machine? To flask run spelling mistake docker. So it started. Will show you localhost pattern. So I will return. So here you can see uh, current player if we so it's running. So now we'll start our we'll start to push to AWS ECR. So first we'll create the repository. So go to the AWS and here we'll search ECR and we'll select on create repository and give the name tic tac toe tic tac toe tag Flask and keep the rest of the thing default and click on create. So our repository get created. So from here you can see all the commands. So we'll use. So first we have already built, but again I will show you. So first we have to log in using this command to the Docker Hub. So copy this command and go to the here we'll stop it and paste the command for login purpose. So here you can see login success. Now we'll build the image. So go to the doc here and copy this command and paste it here. Now we'll give the tag to our image. So here you can see the command will give the tag latest. Paste it. Now we'll push this to our repository. So again go to this and copy this command run and paste it. So in this way you can push this image to the AWS ECR repository. So basically ECR stands for Elastic Container Registry. So it fully managed Docker Container Registry provided by AWS. So it will allow you to store and manage and to deploy Docker image. So you can think it of like a Docker hub inside AWS. So I think our email gets pushed. So check it. Close and refresh this. See here our image got pushed. Click on this. See image tag latest. Tic tac toe Flask latest. So in this way you can push the image to the AWS ECR. So in the next video we'll see how to deploy it using AWS Fargate. So that's all from this video. We'll see you in the next video.